Yeah, my name is Ravi Ranjan Singh, and he is my son, Arunoday Raj Singh. He is 9 years old. We have come all the way from Bodh Gaya, Bihar. We have come here for a foot surgery of my kid. We came here yesterday in morning, and our surgery was planned at 10 o'clock. The best thing was that when we came, it was a hassle-free admission. Surgery was on the time. We got everything done by 11 o'clock. And till right now, we are in the process of exiting the hospital. We are waiting for the discharge process to complete. The best thing which I liked about the hospital is the behavior of the doctors, how they treat their patients. The treatment is for a kid. They are very specialized in treating a small kid. Along with the hygiene of the complete hospital is too good. I visited a lot of hospitals, but this one is preferably the best one I have seen ever. Nurses are very polite and very dutiful. And they were giving some medicines till late night, and they were very prompt in doing that. They're quite helpful. And the surgery was performed by Dr. Abhishek Jain, and his pre and post, whatever, we are in contact with him from last few months. Post this thing happened to him, and his conduct is very good. He is very professional. We like the way he deals with the patients, and thanks to all doctors, nurses, staff, guards, everyone of National Heart Institute team. The team is very wonderful. Keep it up. Keep serving the nation. Thank you so much.